Hi, I'm John Feetsum, Technical Product Lead with Westbred. Today I'd like to talk with you a little bit about seed treatment selection. Now, seed treatment is a great way to protect your wheat seed investment and get that wheat crop off to a healthy start. But with all the options that are available out there, how do you really know that your seed treatment selection is controlling those key diseases and insect pests that you deal with on your farm? Well, today I'd like to talk with you a little bit about some key tips that can help simplify that seed treatment selection process. First, let's talk about fungicides. When you select a fungicide, you want to make sure you have multiple modes of action, as well as a broad spectrum of disease pests controlled. Be sure to consult your pesticide label to identify those key active ingredients. Make sure they have some overlap, as well as make sure the pests that you're trying to control, those key diseases, are on that specific seed treatment label. Next, let's talk about insecticides. Now, a standard rate insecticide is usually sufficient for things like early season aphid infestations, as well as to suppress Hessian fly or wireworms. But if you're dealing with a particularly heavy infestation or looking for longer duration of control, you're likely going to want to look at a higher rate option. So again, be sure to consult that product label and evaluate the rate structure and make sure you're choosing the right rate to meet your pest control needs. Now, whether you're applying a fungicide alone or a fungicide and insecticide together, effective coverage is important to make sure you maximize that benefit of your seed treatment selection. So talk to your Westbred seed supplier about the availability of professionally applied seed treatment products with your purchase of certified seed.
To see more Westbred tips videos, visit our YouTube channel.